Listen.
So it's 4:30 a.m.
The actual sleeping outside kind of sucks. Ready for lunch?
Yeah.
Do it for the gram. I'm recording.
You are?
Busted. One, two, three, go! Okay, that's good there. Good job. Some oil in the pan. Uh-oh.
It's pretty cold.
Might need to thaw it out. I'll put that by the fire for a bit.
Took no time at all. Way faster than a stovetop. Now I'm gonna put the Swiss cheese in. Keep this on low. So I'm gonna have to move it away from these coals.
Probably just enough heat in that pan. You don't even need to.
Yeah, it's true actually. That's the great thing about cast iron. It keeps its heat really well. Yeah. Salt and pepper. And then my secret ingredient. Cream of mushroom. It's kind of like the Alfredo sauce, but my version.
Listen.
They smell our yummy food.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there's lots of them. Okay, it's boiling. Okay, so now I'm gonna put in some Parmesan because clearly it's not cheesy enough. Oh my god, those coyotes are distracting me. Okay. And then I got some truffle balsamic. It's very flavorful, it's delicious, but just a little bit, just to darken it a little, the color. Usually I just know how much just by the color. And then we took a little bit of the pasta water and kind of just got all the canned mushroom soup out and just made it this nice consistency, so when we add the pasta, it'll be delicious.
Yeah, it looks delicious. How come every time you cook, we hear the coyotes are really close? Double smoked prosciutto. I think prosciutto's already smoked, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, this is soft. When it curves straight again, it's done.
Yeah. Hey. Good?
Delicious.
Okay.
Can I pour you some wine?
Yes, please. There you go, my darling.
There you go. All right.
Cheers.
Wow, this looks amazing. Cheers. Wow. That is incredible. You want this one? Oh, she does want it. Oh no! Oh no! I got two aces too. 30, 40, 45 back.
That's 15 back each
Yeah,
for an ace.
yeah. 40 back, and that's 20. hear the coyotes again. Those coyotes are like
Close.
200 yards away, yeah. There's like 15 of them. They smell Caitlin's pasta.
Stop snoring.
What?
Stop snoring.
I'm snoring?
Yes. You're louder than the coyotes. So it's 4:30 a.m. What?
When you need a fire most, it's the hardest time to make it, because things don't burn in the cold and moist weather.
Paper's not even burning?
I got it, but yeah, I wouldn't even light white paper. When it's cold and damp like this, nothing wants to burn. Some nice warm tea for the morning, some warm water to wash our face. This sleeping outdoors things isn't really that much fun. It's about the nights and the mornings that make it worth it. The actual sleeping outside kind of sucks. To be honest.
You tell him. Keeping it real.
Pardon?
Keeping it real.
Keeping it real. There's your coffee, Darren.
Oh, thank you.
Cheers. Good morning.
Cheers. Good morning.
I really like the snow. It's really
so pretty.
here.
Look what we woke up to. Wow. Winter is here.
Oh.
Woo! Look how much snow we've got just in a couple hours. It's crazy. We are just packing up and then we're gonna head home. Gonna have a nice warm shower and then cook dinner and then probably have some tea by the fire. One of the other reasons why I love coming out here is home is just so amazing. It makes you so much more grateful for the little things.